Today, titignan natin yung differences ng stock sway bar ng Civic SiR and nung galing sa EK9. So, yung backstory kasi dito is couple of months ago, actually 1 year ago pa, nagkapit ako ng hard race na brace. Problem is, since nagkapit ako ng hard race na brace, hindi ko na makabit yung stock na sway bar ko. So, for the longest time, yung binili ko kasi na kit na yon is just a brace. Hindi yung kasama yung EK9 na kit. Kasama yung stabilizer bar, as Honda would say it, or yung sway bar. So, naghanap pa ako. So, ang ruta ko na lang doon, since nag-aftermarket na ako, so either I go aftermarket din, na kukuha ko ng ESR, na sakto doon sa D-brackets, or yung nakita ko is sakto siya sa EK9. Difference, of course, number 1, yung kapal. We have a caliper para makuha natin siya, yung kapal niya. So, at least mas scientific tayo. So, yung stock na SiR, yung rear na stabilizer bar or sway bar niya, it is is around 15.2. 0.2 yung paint, yung dumi siguro. So, it's around 15 millimeters. And then yung sa kabila, sa EK9, it's actually 22. So, yung 0.1 siguro yung dumi ulit. Yung paint siguro. The biggest problem is actually yung kabitan niya, which is yung D-brackets. So, ito yung D-brackets niya. Yung sa stock, so, it's around, tinatry ko measure yung gitna.
Ito yung D-bracket.
Ito yung D-bracket. Siya yung nag-hold na itong bushing. So, of course, 20 years old na, luma na siya. So, it's around 50.6 siguro. And then, yung sa EK9, see, laki laking difference.
Oo.
It's around 65.8. Okay. Ano natin i-review? Pwede pa abot nung yung sa EK9 na D-bracket. Yung bracket. Yan. So, compare natin. Yan. So, ito, for the sake of comparison, ito yung nakabit na BWR. Advantage ng BWR is that yung kahit magkabit ka ng brace, you can still opt to use yung yung stock na SiR na stabilizer bar kasi pasok yun sa D-brackets na dito. And then if you want to go aftermarket, pasok rin to. Pasok rin siya yung sa EK9 na D-bracket. Yan.
So, yun yung maganda dyan sa BWR.
Yeah, yun yung advantage niya. Sa hard race, medyo limited ka. Once you go aftermarket ka na talaga. So, lipat naman tayo sa hard race. So, this time, hard race na tayo. Ito yung D-brackets nung stock na SiR. So, pag i-compare mo siya, hindi talaga siya aligned dun sa second hole. Ayan So, iba talaga yung alignment niya. Okay, so, hindi mo talaga magagamit yung stock. So, this time, with the EK9 or parang semi-aftermarket, fully aligned na siya. Ayan. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. Kakabit tayo ng sway bar ng EK9. Which also same para sa aftermarket. Okay, so balik tayo. Kabit na natin tong sway bar. Before that, of course, iangat natin yung rear ng sasakyan. Handbrakes are attached dito sa rear. So, wala ka ng handbrake, iangat mo siya, baka may tendency umurong yung car. Okay? So, safety check before natin iangat yung likod. Of course, naka-handbrake na ako, but that will be useless later on. So, ginawa ko, since this is a front-wheel drive na vehicle, nilagay ko siya sa first gear. So, in effect, parang may engine brake, handbrake ka. And then, of course, chocks dito sa harap. Okay. Para hindi siya umusog. Okay, so everything is hand tight na dito sa yung position, yung lahat, yung stabilizer link, yung stabilizer bar, and then yung stabilizer link in position na siya. However, sabi dito sa service manual na before tightening the flange nut sa stabilizer links, position the ball joint in the middle of its range for travel with the suspension under vehicle loads, which means you have to bring down the car para yung natural position niya, if you wanna call it that way. Tapos tsaka natin siya ita-tighten. Okay? We have the torque specs here. So, baba natin yung sasakyan and then tighten natin using the proper torque specs. And then, hopefully, it's a win today. Okay? That's it. Oh yeah, so there. I would say that this installation is a must. It drastically improves your handling. Kahit low speed, traffic, or high speed, mararamdaman mo talaga siya. Okay? Siguro additional pointers na lang din is that always kung ikaw man yung magdi-DIY or you're gonna ask someone or a shop to install that stabilizer bar or stabilizer link or sway bar, always check din kung ano yung ginagawa niya. And how do you know kung tama yung ginagawa niya or hindi lang siya tinatamad or hindi ka lang tinatamad is go back to the books. Okay? Always check yung service manual. Okay? Of course, this is for 1996. Check the rear suspension part. Everything is written there actually. Critical caution, mga notes on top para sa taas pa lang mababasa mo na siya. Never skip something, always read it. And then of course, importante din yung mga torque specs because you don't wanna over torque or under torque yung mga sinisikapan mo na bolts or nuts because otherwise they might fall off or you might destroy them pag over torque. Okay? Of course, saan mo lalagyan ng mga silicone grease, mga anti-seize compounds. So, alam mo na tama yung kabit. OEM specs siya, which is original equipment manufacturing. And these service manuals are actually the manuals that ginagamit ng kasa eh. So, this is actually universal sa lahat ng Honda sa buong mundo, sa lahat ng kasa nila. Ito yung sinusundan nila eh. This is developed by the R&D itself, yung research and development ng sariling sasakyan na to. So these consist of thousands and thousands of engineers. Of course, saan ka pa ba makikinig? Dito? Or someone na na-meet mo lang somewhere online, or isang mekaniko lang na parang sabi niya, hindi sir, okay na yan, pwede na yan, ako bahala sa'yo, you know. You always have to cross-check, so at least alam mo tama yung kabit. Yeah, of course, hindi naman sa dinidiscredit ko yung ibang mga mekaniko. Of course, sometimes kasi sa dami ng ginagawa nila, minsan Honda, minsan Toyota, minsan something else, truck, baka mix na nila lahat ng lahat ng knowledge nila eh. What may work for some cars may not work for some other cars. So, ayun, or minsan siguro tinatamad na lang sila. They just want to finish the day, or may magawa lang or something. I don't know. So that's why it's important to always go back to the manual. At least naka-cross-check po lahat ng nangyayari. Again, it's not that we're discrediting some mechanics or mga nagdi-DIY. But, kumbaga, sa manual na lahat talaga eh. Nasa service manual na lahat talaga eh. I guess, rule of thumb is, you can always add on dun sa manual, but never less. Okay? Kung ano yung sinabi ng manual, yan na yun. Yan na dapat yung basis mo. And then you can always add something. Like, let's say, nagkabit kami ng thread lock na konti. Parang for that firmer, confident kami na hindi matatanggal yung bolt or something. You know, it's medium strength. So, pilitin mo lang yan, matatanggal naman yan. And then, thread lock also has other benefits din naman. Of course, it's a different story when you're attaching or installing mga aftermarket parts. Siyempre, fake parts, brake parts. Study the forums, study ko ni mga check experiences ng mga nagkabit na nito or something. So, good luck. It's definitely a win for today. So, thank you. And please like and subscribe.